how to fix Valorant error code 62, and if you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, first just type here Windows Update, and then make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. And now let's move to the next method. Type here services, and then scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC and then click properties, and after that make it automatic here, and then click apply and OK. And last thing you need to do is to type here device manager, and now go to display adapters, right click and update all those drivers here, and also network adapters, right click update, and processors. If you want to update it, just click right click update driver and click search automatically for drivers. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.